trans.
All right, we are on the road. We're almost halfway done with our journey. Where are we going? We're going to Mexico.
Mexico, let's go.
Yeah, we got about 13 hours before the border. This is definitely the longest road trip I've ever done on the road. But yeah, we have a big installation down there. We're kind of heading down there a little bit before the rest of the guys get there, and just doing some site observation stuff, and then meeting with some of our Mexico team, and yeah, India team will fly over there as well. So should be a pretty cool project. It's a really big project. It's matter of fact, it's the biggest project we've done so far. You know, we have like 16 plus fixtures. Every one of the fixtures is completely different from one another. It's not a single identical fixture. So we're going to be doing we're doing the supply of all these weld fixtures. We're doing the let's see what else. Supply of all the weld fixtures, the PLC programming, the robot programming, and part proving, part fitment, all those types of things. So that's kind of what's involved in the scope of this project here. Yeah, I was able to execute these fixtures. We have them coming in like 4 fixtures every 2 weeks. We'll be receiving at the customer site and be implementing them within those 2 weeks. So it's definitely going to be a challenge, but we're down to do it. We're going to crush it. So far, I mean, delivery of the fixtures have been extremely quick. I mean, I think we got design approval not even, what was it, 2 months ago? 8 weeks, maybe 10 weeks. So we're like 10 weeks into this, and not into this project, because the design portion of this project was a couple months as well. But yeah, from design approval to manufacturing, which means we have to still convert to like 2D drawings and all those good things. I think we're like roughly like 10 weeks, 12 weeks max. But yeah, crushing this thing. If you know anybody that's looking for some weld fixturing, we're the guys. We are the guys. Brandon's going to become a weld fixture specialist. He's going to come service your weld fixtures, integrate weld fixtures for you. But yeah, good stuff. We'll keep you guys posted on how this Mexico border thing goes, and try to get kidnapped.